How to download Instagram Drafts Reels to Gallery. In this video, I will show you step by step on how to save your Instagram draft reel on your gallery. First of all, after you open up your Instagram like this now, swipe your Instagram like this to open up your camera section. After you open the camera section like this, now tap on this reel button, this reel. After you tap on this reel section, what you have to do now you can go ahead and tap on this camera icon to record your reels. Now I'll just go ahead and record my reel on Instagram. So after you finish recording your reel, as you can see now, here is now my reel. I record my reel now. I'll tap on this next button. So after you tap on this next button, as you can see now you can go ahead and add your text or add your filter on your reel. So after you finish editing your reel, as you can see now, you can tap on this section as well to edit your reel. As you can see now, you can go ahead now and edit all your reel on Instagram. After you finish editing your Instagram reel that you just recorded, so tap on this section. As you can see now, tap on this arrow at the bottom. So after you tap on this arrow, as you can see now, tap on this little download button at the top right side. This icon, as you can see now, here is it. Tap on this download button at the top. So if you tap on this download button now, as you can see now it's processing to download my Instagram drafts. As you can see now, it download my Instagram drafts. So as you can see here, it says video save. So tap on this next button now. After you tap on this save button, now tap on this. As you can see now here is the video. If I tap on this edit cover, so as you can see now, I can go ahead now and choose a cover for the video like this one or this one. After I choose the cover, I'll tap on this done button. So as you can see now, I'll tap on this now save to draft button. So now I save my Instagram reel. If I want to see my draft, I'll tap on this section now. As you can see now, here is the draft that I just saved on my Instagram. So if I want to see the draft that I downloaded, all I have to do now, I'll just close my Instagram and go back to my gallery. I'll show you now the draft that I just downloaded. As you can see now, here is it. Here is the video that I just downloaded on my Instagram. That's it on how to save drafts reel on Instagram. Hope this video helps you. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thank you for watching. We'll meet in the next video.